Hey everyone, and welcome to round two. I haven't seen what my opponent's playing. Apparently blue, and yeah, pick up this hand. Two Galvanic Blast and a Shatter, and Wild Tango Chord and Chrome Seed. Not too shabby. I would just need lands and preferably one other artifact. Alright, Scrap Metal is nice to see also. But yeah, not too shabby. Not too shabby. That's what I think. Yeah. Of course, we were the last people playing for that first round. Okay, Glinthawk Idol. I think that's could be dying. I don't know if he's playing Metalcraft. Okay, there's another piece of removal. So I don't know if he's running counter spells. Most likely he is. I think, I don't think he's running, I mean, blue's not really a color of Metalcraft necessarily. I'm going to shatter that. I forgot to play my Wild Tango Chord, I think. Alright, I think I'll play it now. So I have a blocker. Although, oh, to help, also to help my Metalcraft. I've got to be careful though. He's playing blue, he's probably playing flyers. So, that may be tricky. Like Sky Your School, or Limited Drake. Although I don't think he would necessarily play that if he's not Metalcraft. Yeah. I need more lands. I need more lands. I need more lands deck. I need them. Okay, that's seems like counterspell mana. Yeah. Oh. Pass. Rusted Relic, okay. Do I get Galvanic Blast? Probably. Yeah, most likely. I mean, I could save it. I could take a hit. But that thing could get pretty annoying. And I'm not doing anything else with my mana, so bam. And I may have to revoke existence that Rusted Relic while he's okay. Yeah, I think I have to revoke existence that while he's tapped out. Yeah, I know. But if I went for that, I mean, if I had my 4th mana, of course I'd scrap much of that. But yeah, it's a no-go. Spell Bomb, you're right. Snapshot Glider, okay. Give me a 4th land, I would be so happy. 4th land. No, that's not 4th land. Chimeric. Jeez. Like. Man. I think I have to Galvanic Blast that now, so he doesn't have a counter. Yeah, and I'll say my... I'll play a Quarter Shield, actually. So he doesn't counter that. Because I like my Metalcraft. I like my Metalcraft. Oh, blue-white. Mm-hmm. He's gonna get in for one, maybe. He could also do a hippogriff. He's got plenty of artifacts. Ah, no, he's just swinging. All right, cool, cool. I'll take it. I'll take the one. Because I can't do nothing else. Alright, no spellbound. That so seems like counterspell magic. Right. So, what we're gonna do is Chimeric Mass 4. Because that seems like a good number. And if he has a counter for that, he has a counter for that. Okay. Does he have a bounce? Alright then. Actually, might tap my mana slightly. I do have Metalcraft though. Barely. But I do. Trinket Mage? Oh no. Who knows? Sivak Life Staff. Sivak Life Staff. There it goes. Play Equip. Okay. Alright. You're a creature now. He's probably going to cycle that in the turn. But yeah, swing for 4, cast Kroomsteed. Seems like a plan. If I have to, I could equip it. I have to be careful though, because he can do some stuff. Let's see though, let's see. Is that an artifact? No, Lunga Drake, and he has Metalcraft. Fun times. Right. Moves it onto the Trinket Mage. Gives it flying. Interesting. Gets in for 3, okay. Right. Same deal. And swing for 4. Yeah. I think I'll play out Golem Mortison, now that I have the 5th. I don't know. The thing is, I'm wary whether he has a counter. I mean, he didn't counter the thing last time, but he could have a counter now. So, let's play around that. Might as well if you're playing blue. No. I have no idea what other cards he has in his hand. There's some spells of some sort. He hasn't been playing lands, so. Alright, I have no idea what other cards he has in his hand. There's some spells of some sort. He hasn't been playing lands, so. There's some spells of some sort. He hasn't been playing lands, so. Alright, I have no idea what other cards he has in his hand. There's some spells of some sort. He hasn't been playing lands, so. Yeah. It's not going to block. Of course it won't block.